Ever tossed a leaf thinking it was useless, only to realize later that you actually threw away a whole new plant? What if I told you some of the leaves you're discarding are secretly plotting to grow an entire jungle of their own? Today we're uncovering 15 plants whose leaves refuse to die quietly. They grow back. African violet looks delicate, but its leaves are little factories capable of cloning themselves. Take a fresh leaf with a short stem, tuck it into light soil, and watch as a brand new plant quietly forms at the base. One healthy leaf can turn into a full pot of color before you even notice. Jade plant leaves are notorious for surviving anything, even in your trash bin. Leave a fallen leaf to dry for a day, place it on soil, and it will slowly sprout roots like it's been planning an escape. It's one of the easiest ways to multiply this classic good luck plant. Bunny ear cactus pads are sneaky survivors. Snip one off, let it callus for a few days, and plant it upright in cactus soil. It'll root, settle in, and pretend nothing ever happened, except you suddenly have 2 plants instead of 1. Rex begonia leaves look too pretty to waste, and the plant agrees. Slice a healthy leaf, place the pieces vein side down in moist soil, and each section can grow into a brand new plant. It's almost unbelievable how quickly they regenerate. Snake plant leaves refuse to give up. Cut one into sections, plant them upright, and they'll start rooting with zero drama. Whether you stick them in soil or water, they quietly rebuild themselves until new pups appear. Peperomia leaves are surprisingly generous. Remove a plump leaf from the base, use the whole thing or slice it in half, and plant the cut edge in soil. With a little humidity, each piece transforms into a compact new plant. Kalanchoe leaves behave like they're designed for beginners. Take a healthy leaf with a bit of stem, place it in a bright corner, and wait. In a few weeks, tiny baby plants start popping out from the base like they're a small army. ZZ plant leaves take their time, but they do grow. Push a thick, glossy leaf about ½ an inch into soil and leave it alone. Slowly, a bulb forms underground, and one day a tiny shoot rises like a secret kept for too long. Fishbone cactus leaves root with surprising ease. Cut a zigzag pad, let it heal for a few days, and plant it an inch deep. Soon it begins spreading like it's reclaiming lost territory. Heartleaf Hoya leaves root beautifully, even as single decorative hearts in tiny pots. Plant a healthy leaf, give it bright but soft light, and watch it stay plump and charming while it quietly starts putting out roots. Chinese money plant leaves can grow into little copies of themselves if you take them with a bit of stem. Plant them upright, keep the soil slightly moist, and new babies start emerging like coins multiplying in a wallet. Zebra cactus leaves don't look powerful, but they are. A single plump leaf placed on a well-draining soil slowly forms roots and begins growing its own mini rosette, one leaf at a time. Streptocarpus leaves behave like their cousin African violet. Cut a leaf, plant it in a light mix, and it will quietly grow new plants along its base. It's simple and surprisingly satisfying to watch. Graptopetulum leaves barely need effort. Just pluck one, set it on dry soil, and wait. A tiny rosette forms at the tip before the leaf even shrivels. It's one of the easiest succulents to multiply. Echeveria leaves often fall on their own, and that's all they need. After they callus, lay them on a tray. They sprout roots and tiny babies like they're programmed for survival. Start by choosing a healthy, damage-free leaf. This alone decides half your success. Prepare your leaf by gently cutting or twisting it off with sterilized tools. Some leaves can be cut into sections, as long as each piece has a vein. Use a fast-draining mix. Succulents prefer sandy soil, while others do well in a light potting mix. Plant the leaf by inserting the cut end in the soil or laying it flat so it touches the surface. Place the pot in bright indirect light so the leaf doesn't scorch while rooting. Keep the soil slightly moist, not wet, to avoid rot. Gentle misting works best for delicate cuttings. Roots may take weeks or even months depending on the plant, so patience is key. Check gently. Resistance means roots are forming. When new growth appears and roots strengthen, shift the young plant to a larger pot. If you've been throwing these leaves away, today is your plot twist. Your garden is full of hidden clones waiting to grow. If you want more secrets like this, make sure you subscribe and hit like. Your next plant discovery starts right here.